are, wow. Okay, anyways, we are back for another hair tutorial. I'm excited to share this one because I just recently found out how to do like the old Hollywood glam curls on my hair. And although I don't get the full like Hollywood curl effect because my hair is not super long, but still the very soft bend and chic look that I've been able to achieve with my hair is just beautiful. It's an easy tutorial where you can do yourself and like you don't have to go out and pay somebody to do your hair for an event type thing. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. For those of you that are here for the first time, welcome. I am Ellie Brown from Uptown with Ellie Brown. I'm so happy to have you here. And yeah, let's just jump in straight into the tutorial. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of this look. Again, everything I used is going to be linked down below in the description box, and I hope you enjoy this look. Anyways, I'm going to be using all of Nexxus hair products again. They sent some of their hair products for me to try, and I've really enjoyed and really liked all of their products. So I'm going to be using them today again. We're going to do, first, remember, because you're applying a lot of heat to your hair, you need to protect your hair. Always, always, always use a leave-in protector spray. This is the Prep and Protect leave-in spray with hyaluronic acid. Heat protect, soft, smooth, and detangle. So I'm going to spray this all over. Because you're going to be curling your hair after, how you necessarily dry it is not really going to matter. You can do just a rough dry and use a brush, again a paddle brush, to kind of dry it straight. But again, just remember, towards the end when your hair is just about almost dry, you want to make sure you create that side, that deep side part, and dry it like this to kind of help keep your hair at that state when you're actually creating the curls. Okay, my hair is pretty much all done, and here's another tip what you can do. If your hair dryer has a cool setting, turn on that cool setting, and then just set that as well with the cool air. And it also kind of helps lock everything in and helps set and hold as well. Okay, so hair drying is done. Now we move on to curling. And now I'm going to use the Shape and Define Multi-Styler. You can use this on damp or dry hair. I am going to be using this on dry hair. Obviously my hair is already dry, to kind of help style and smooth the look. Again, you don't need a lot of this, just a very, very tiny bit. And I noticed that now I keep looking at the viewfinder and not the actual lens. But, you know, oh well, yeah. This is how much you need. You don't need a lot at all. And also a little tip there, whenever using a styler like that also helps with flyaways, work the most of the product on your ends, and then what's left over, work it in your roots. That way you're also not overloading your roots with a lot of products and causing that buildup in the oil as well on your roots. Okay, you're gonna work in sections always, and I can't remember the size of this. I think this is 1.25. I can't remember. I'll make sure to write it down below. If your hair is shorter, you may want to use a smaller wand or clamp for the bottom section, but as you work your way up top, you can use a thicker barrel or wand to create the volume and the old Hollywood look. It's a little bit harder for me on the bottom because, again, my hair is short, but still manageable. I just don't get tons of volume on the very bottom, but it's okay because it's the very bottom, so as long as it's semi-curled, it's okay. So I'm gonna grab about this size. You don't want to grab it too thick, but you're gonna curl over, and you're gonna wrap the hair all the way around. You don't want to leave anything out. You're wrapping it kind of towards your face here and leaving the wand at an angle like that. And remember, don't touch, let it cool off. Again, piece, you know, over, and then curl. Again, it's a little bit harder when my hair is this short. You can see that, the swoop there. And then once we brush it out and kind of finish styling it, you'll get the look you want, the nice soft bend. Remember, because you're working in sections and you have such a deep part, you'll be finished with this side before you are with this. So for example, have a very little bit left and I'm gonna leave this last, but this is on this side here. And then you wanna make sure you leave the hair flat on the barrel. Don't twist it as you wrap around the barrel. And then try not to touch it. Just let it cool off. You see the hair is flat, wrapped all the way around. So the curls start looking something like this. Okay, so the end result should look something like this, all the way wrapped around. You're gonna let that sit and cool for a little bit. Grab your hairspray. This is the ultra fine hairspray with dry texture, soft matte finish, lightweight hold. I'm gonna spray this all over, let it sit for a little bit, then we're gonna brush it out and we'll come back. So over here, my hair, I probably would not recommend you doing this yourself, but my hair needs a little bit of straightening right here. And what you can do is you can obviously use this with a hair straightener if you want. Oh, this may be my new favorite hairstyle. I love how this came out. So all I did is I took my paddle brush that has a lot of hair in it, but I gently brushed that out. And then what you can do is you can take your hairspray with a toothbrush, or if you have a bristle brush like this, and hairspray to get any of those baby hair down or whatever you need to kind of control. You can use that as well, but I love this right here. It's very soft. It's very romantic. I think again, this is a great look if you have a special night out, or for that just very soft old glam Hollywood look again. I really love how this looks. Very, very, very cute. And this will probably be one of my favorite hairstyles of 2022. I already know it, but sorry. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Is this a look that you would recreate? Do you love it? Thumbs up. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Hit that bell so you can get notifications anytime a video goes live. And I will see you here again real soon in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.